wants to see the cow.
Oh, I bet. Go pet him.
Climbing all over the place.
Can they pet?
Yeah, sure.
Is this a goat, right?
Yeah, an alpine goat here.
Alpine goat. Look at that one. Go over there. You can pet them all. Let's go look at the.
She's really nice.
Let's go look at the cows with Abio. I'm getting some video of her. What is that, Abby? What is that?
Look, oh, look at it. Walk right up to you. Pet it.
Oh, he walks right up to you. Aww. Oh, look at that.
That's so soft. Oh, she looks like she's got to have babies.
She does, doesn't she?
Is she pregnant?
Put your X-ray vision on and tell me how many she's going to have.
Probably 2.
Probably, maybe. We've had a lot of triplets this year.
Oh. What is that? Uh-oh. He's tired. Look at him. I got that on tape.
She does that all the time.
What's over there? Look at the baby lamb. Here, you can pet him. You can pet him. He knows, that one knows where the food is. He's waiting for food. He's waiting for food. Huh? Here he is. Look, Marin. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Aw, let's pet him.
Yeah, I don't think he'd be real crazy about
Oh, he's eating my finger.
on the property.
It's okay. You can pet him.
Alright, we're gonna see if this guy.
He's hungry. He tried to nurse my finger.
He didn't want to eat this morning when I fed him. So
Aww.